The Nagaland Assembly has resolved to demand centre for the repeal of the AFSPA from the northeast. The Assembly has passed a 5-point resolution in the special session today and appealed for early settlement of the Naga peace talks as well. It also called for an apology for appropriate authority to actually look into this. Also, it has resolved for assurance for justice within the civil laws.
Nagaland Legislative Assembly today met for a special session at the State Legislative Assembly building in state capital Kohima and has passed a major resolution against the Armed Forces Special Power Act. In fact, a 5-point resolution has been passed by the Assembly which met today and discussed for hours about the Armed Forces Special Power Act in the backdrop of the 14 youth who have been killed in firing by armed forces on December 4th and 5th in Mon district of Nagaland, which led to widespread protest in Nagaland. And in fact, now the State Legislative Assembly has passed a resolution demanding Centre for Repeal of Armed Forces Special Power Act not only in Nagaland but across Northeast India. The Assembly has also demanded that the Naga peace talks, which are in advanced stage, should be brought to a logical conclusion soon, so that the political process which is involved in Nagaland in terms of the armed groups as well as Government of India gets resolved. And another important resolution which has been passed by the State Legislative Assembly is that they have demanded an apology from an appropriate authority for the killing of the 14 youths in Mon district. So this is also a major resolution which has been passed. In fact, the State Assembly has condemned the incident. The State Assembly has also asked the people of Mon district who are protesting and the other protesting groups to cooperate with the government, so that the government can actually bring justice for those the families of those 14 youths who have died in that incident. And also, very significantly, another resolution which has been passed by the State Legislative Assembly is that the Assembly also has appealed that the perpetrators of crime in that incident, the people who are involved in this case, the army personnel, should be tried by the land of the law.